Alright, so...
Hi, I'm Anthony. This is my 1998 Seadoo SPX. Picked it up for $200 off of a guy at a marina. Just needs a good cleanup. But here's my problem. It cranked up at first, but when we had it out of water trying to start it, as you can see here, this piston looks busted. It looks completely busted. This one down here is fine. Let me show you what it does when we put the key in. Try to start it. Show them that right there. This here. Doesn't do anything. It wasn't doing anything. If you guys have anything, let us know.
Oh, show them that.
Okay, yeah, and that. It doesn't turn all the way. It's locked on something. So if you guys have any, rate, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate it.